Hi, this is Arvind Bangarsi, Director Sales and Marketing for Bomber Technologies India Private Limited. Bomber Technologies India Private Limited is the leader in core instrumentation segment. We cater to various industrial segments like power, process, chemical, pharmaceutical, various allied industrial sectors. So here in this exhibition and this year, we have come up with a new product portfolio altogether, that is test bench setup. The very product is different than others, where we signifies in terms of modular technology, and which caters into again end user segment like power, refineries, process industry, chemical. So let us take us through the product portfolio, so you will enjoy that journey altogether. Thank you.
Yeah, so we Bomber Technology, we have started our new venture in calibration test bench system. So which is mainly used in laboratories for the calibration of pressure instruments, temperature instruments, and some pressure transmitters. So this is a fully 100% customized products, which is, we will design it, we will integrate it, and we will install it according to the customer requirement. So, and we will also provide a software along with this system for your internal calibration purpose. And all the masters that we have installed in this system, we will provide you an enable calibration traceable certificate. So this is it's a 100% customized system, and it is mainly used in power plants and all other R&D laboratories, instrumentation laboratories. They are using these type of products. So it's fully integrated one. So we are now launching in this year 2024.
Yeah, actually I am myself Muralidharan from Bomber Technologies. Actually I am taking care all over India distribution business across India. We have Extend Arms as a channel partner. We have 55 distributor across India, and we are doing through them every nook and corner of India. Total business contribution from them is around 35 to 40% of our total turnover of Bomber Technologies. And we are very much thankful to them for extending the cooperation as well as the business development through them, and we are proud of them, and we are congratulate them to do the same things and do the more and more business across India, and thankful to them. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody, my name is Manish Manpurkar, and I'm looking for the solutions for customers. We are having different technologies available in our RTDs and thermocouples, wherein we can able to provide solution for the critical application for our customers. We would love to provide you the solution for all your critical applications. So thank you very much.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Debjyoti Sengupta. I am from Bomber Technologies, and coming to my products, I am handling the agency business for the Bomber Technologies. So what are the agencies we are representing? We are representing Fox Thermal, who are into the mass thermal flow meters. Then Doyer, who is well known in the market, in the industry, for their various ranges of products which are used in the pharma industries, chemical industries, and various other industries. Control-Air, Autrol, and Toki. So any of your requirements which are related to this particular product ranges, you are most welcome. You can get in touch with Bomber Technologies India Private Limited. Thank you.
Hi, this is Anil Vijayvargi. I am working with Bomber Technologies from last more than 13 years. Total experience of almost 25 years. I am taking care of the pressure product in Bomber Technologies. It takes care of almost 65 to 70% of the business in Bomber Technologies, the pressure verticals out of pressure, temperature, level. We cater to all the industries. If you take measuring a tire pressure to the pharmaceutical, oil and gas industry, food industries, you name an industry, you will find a pressure gauge. We produce pressure gauges from all technologies like Borden tube. It's a more than 160 years old technology, no change, and I can assure you for coming years, more than 25, this will last long, even though there are transmitters and all. We produces for low ranges capsule type and Shepherd diaphragm type. we have all the types of the accessories related to pressure gauges like snubbers, siphon, gauge cocks, and then we also do diaphragm seals for different applications where the process media is corrosive, needs special materials. So we have all types of special materials. We can provide gold-plated diaphragm seals also, which are mainly used for hydrogen application, which is a upcoming industry. As a Bauma Group company, we have another group company in France, which is the original Bourdon Henny company who invented the pressure gauge. So we do lot of technical collaboration with them, give and take. Now we are also catering the pressure gauges manufactured in Bauma Technologies at Vapi and supplying to them. So it's a semi-finished product, so they finish it as per the government rules. So we have a quality product which is globally requirement. We are fulfilling the global requirement. So we produce the global standard quality product. I can assure you that you can feel the power, experience the precision. Pressure is perfected. We can meet all your requirements regarding pressure measurement. Thank you.
I'm Gaurav Yadav. I'm the product marketing manager in Bauma Technologies. I'm looking after the level product portfolio along with instrumentation valve and fittings. In level, we have mechanical continuous level gauges and level switches. And in the instrumentation valve manifolds, we have 2, 3, 5-way manifolds, needle valves, ball valves, instrumentation line, and different type of twin ferrule tube fitting. So this is the product portfolio of level and instrumentation valve fittings.